Hey guys, we have a Dell Gaming Laptop. This one, I'm gonna turn it on real quick so you can see what the issue is. Let's see, I'm not sure if this battery is good, but let's hit that power button. Okay, it's gone. Here's what we get. Blank screen, nothing else. Computer does work. We use external monitor and it worked fine. Seems to be the screen. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get to the back of it to look at this screen because I think it could be the connector. So we're gonna take it apart. Okay, so for the screen, basically, you're just gonna be prying right here. Just pry it up all around till you get it out, and that will expose all of the wiring, especially right there. Okay, with that off, there goes our connector. We're gonna be inspecting that connector and also make sure this wire looks fine. So it's gotta be the connector right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove all these screws on the side and we're gonna pull this whole panel off. That way we could get to that connector without messing with this area. Okay, screws removed. I'm gonna put a little cloth and turn the screen upside down. Don't know what that is, but that was just hanging back there. Probably from the camera up in the top. We're gonna keep that to the side, but there goes our area right there. We're gonna take that, inspect it, make sure it's nice and clean, and then put it back. Okay, so we put it back together, nice and tight. I also made sure everything on this area is nice and flush. I didn't peel this off, but I could peel it to take a look back there. That'll be the next thing that we're gonna do if it doesn't work. We're gonna peel this area off and take a look, but let's give it a shot. Let's turn it on and see if we get any graphics. Okay, no video. Okay, now I'm gonna inspect this area I was telling you. Ooh, look at that. Just pressing right here, right in this area. Yep, look at that. Pressing on that area. So I think we have a little issue in this area. As you can see, look, I keep touching it. So yeah, our issue's right here. So I'm gonna be peeling that off. But look, we got graphics, man. So this is really, really good. But I want to see what's over there that's flaky that's causing this. Hey guys, so peeling that off reveals another cable right there, right? So that might be our issue. That cable right there. We're gonna make sure that that is well plugged. Okay guys, so I reseated that cable, everything's good, and I taped it back. So I got some clear tape. We're gonna run another test and see how things are doing. Now, let's go. Alright, gotta hit this power button harder. I think we need to keep it plugged as well. Let's see. Yep, got it plugged. Okay, I think we're still having, yeah, we're still having a little issue in this area. I don't even think it's that cable. I think it's something else. But look, just keeping that firm right there, pressing in, it brings the video in. And then, look, see that? It's almost like I have to hold it down right there in order for us to get our video. Right there. See that? I mean, we figured it out, but something on that area, which has a connector, it seems like that connector is the problem. We're gonna flip it over just so I can show you guys. Not good. I thought it was just a cable, but it's not just a cable. Hold on. Hey guys, just received brand new screen, which I haven't even taken apart yet. But we're gonna go ahead and replace. We know our old screen is faulty, and that's why we have that white screen. And I do not have time or patience to try to figure it out and open it up. It may not even be fixable. It's so much cheaper to get a new replacement screen and call it a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it right now. Okay, I've covered everything. Now we're gonna do a quick test before we put this final cover on. But yeah, look at that. No issues. Nice and clean. So guys, if you have the same issue, white screen, you could try pressing across the edges here, right? Just to press and see if anything changes. But if nothing changes, it's most likely the screen. If something changes, they'll tell you it's the screen as well. And that's usually your fix right there. Good luck. Okie dokie. Look at this. Nice and beautiful. We are all set, ladies and gentlemen. No more white screen.